Welcome in this new video tutorial from the channel Video Tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to customize the color of Visual Studio Code. This is a great tool. I think I'm using this tool since around 6-7 years, and I think it's a great tool. Someone tells that our other editor powerful, but my opinion, this is the most easy and with much plugins, and this I consider is important. It's important because I can do everything. I don't pay anything, and I can do everything. I can do a project with Laravel, Angular, React JS, Vue.js, and I do every day, and I don't have any problem. This is the most important. But this video wants to show you how to customize everything inside Visual Studio Code. Let's do a little premise. What I want to do, I want to tell you that you can also use some plugins to change the color, or you can also, for example, if you want, you can just to use the theme. It's enough that you go in here. Let's go here. Preferences, and there we go, color theme. So, and what you can do, so you can just change every the aspect of the editor, you can see. But the problem, which is the problem, that you cannot do what you want. Let us suppose that I want to change the background of the editor. I cannot do. So let's return to the mono key that I'm using, as I prefer. So returning to what I told you, if you want to change, you can use this feature from the preferences, okay, and the color theme, and you can change the interface of the Visual Studio Code. But if you want to go deeply, you want to change something, let us suppose you want to change the background of the foreground of the terminal. It's easy. Let's press Ctrl, from the keyboard and search for color custom, and appear this way. Let's search for workbench, and let's go in edit setting JSON, and here appears everything we can change. Okay, what I need most, and I think most developer needs, is to be clear which is the active tab. This is, I think, is a good is a great problem. I mean, when I have a lot of file, and this happens frequently, what I have to do, I have to do effort with my mind, with my eye, to search what I need, and this can be a problem. Moreover, when you need when you work in some team with agile, with some time, you have every hour you have to complete some task. So the time, we know, is money, and people want you to produce much more also what you can do. So to continue, let us suppose I want to change the tab of the active tab. This you can do simply here, as per tab, and you can do everything you need for the tab. What I want to do is to change the inactive, sorry, for the active background. Active background, here we go, and you can see red. Let us save, and you can see that the active will be red. So of course, if you have the red active, it's hard that you don't see easily what is the main file now active. Let us say that I want to change the foreground, active foreground, and there we go. In the case they say red, of course no, because it disappear logically. So let us to change to white. Let's say white. Let us save, and you can see that is I can see a black. Let's say black as you want. This is the reason that I say, and I'm doing this tutorial, because I want to understand how to customize what I need. So moreover, what I did, for example, I changed the terminal background because I wanted, let us say, something green, because I am nostalgic from the old. So you can see this is the background of the. Now is black because I'm here. It's here, and you can see clear is totally green. So let us see another that I think is also good. We changed the tab active, but there is also the tab inactive. Let us say all this inactive I want to be white, because I want so. Reason I don't know, but I want to be something like this. And I want to, for the inactive foreground, I mean the color of the font, just to be, let us say, foreground, sorry, inactive foreground. Let us say that I want this to be, let us say blue. Let us try a blue. Sorry, I didn't have to press here when you want to change. Let us try so. So this is I mean, you can see when I'm here, I think I know maybe I'm not so colors so brilliant, but it's easy to work with such environment. So this is the stuff. You can investigate. There are a lot of stuff, and we can continue, I mean, for weeks, because Visual Studio you can customize everything you want. For example, you can also take the active border top. Let's say you can see the active border top. In this case I'm going to put let us say black. You can see the border top became black. So what to tell you, I mean, you can try as I did everything, and I think this can be a good exercise, because it's good, I think, useful to do this stuff. Sorry, I didn't put the comma, but work it anyway. And so there are other many stuff, but I think this is a tutorial was done because I think many people need to be more clear, the active tab to be more clear. So thank you for watching, and subscribe the channel.